Is Cúrsaí sé tan, Cúrsaí Gaeilge, as go mbeadh bhéim chaint chomhlaidir daoine teach le chéile caint as Gaeilge, daoine tá gearra fás chuir Gaeilge, mar chúisin éagstal mar hampla bíonn daoine seo gearra bheanna muintrí bunscoile bí daoine seo gearra bhíonn Gaeilge bhac dá báistí Somália daoine gearra Gaeilge ólam caithfear aimsir.
I want to become a primary school teacher and I need to have better Irish to get into a postgraduate course, and I heard that the Gael Linn courses were very good. There's enough mix between learning vocabulary and grammar and having conversations with people to make sure that you know the basics but that you're able to talk properly anyway.
I'm a special needs teacher and I just want to get my Irish up so I can get back into the mainstream classroom like I used to do. And I picked Gael Linn because it's 6 weeks, so it's quite close together, so it's quite intense. So there's no chance to sort of forget things from week to week. You really have to keep it up, so it helps you get a bit better. And I think the teachers are pretty laid back, but they know their stuff. So it's a lot of fun as well as a lot of learning going on.
What no me bheith níos líofa agus ceapan go bhfuil sé go héintach ar fad tá múnseach go maith agus tá na daoine imrang an a cairdeal.
Bíonn tú ag caint big an tamar fad, like even nuair atá méid ag ólam cup an cath ag an sosbíam ar caint big agus bíonn tú an ann do chud Gaeilge ausú agus tá tú níos mó compordach a bheith caint just curcail beag.
Cagan na buntaistí freisin go se seo lá na carchan seo I Gael Linn start an táma agus mar sin tá sééis go heachtal an áit.
Yeah, of course it's great. Yeah, I definitely recommend it to anyone that was looking to learn.
I definitely would recommend it. I think anybody should do this who's interested in Irish.